So, the opponent this week is the funny Aurora Genbu man. I have a couple things cooked and a couple things not so cooked. We'll start with one of the things that I really cooked up. So, Min Speed, Iron Clogs, Defense Yuma, outslows the Wakasagi. So if I can get this thing in on that, I go first in Genbu and kill with Poison Stream. It's also packing Shark Trade to, if the Waka's gone, get the Rebellion Tome away from the Lily and give it to me. Atomic Energy hits the Lily and gives me healing, and Doppelganger is another way to deal with the Lily. I can take its type and not take as much damage. Next, this thing is literally just completely boring and is only there because I want something that can pretty well take the show. This thing I put zero thought into. I gave it 26 HP ABs, called it good. It just hits a lot of things. I didn't want it taking recoil from Stradal, so I threw Deadly Secrets on. Silverpin Megamoo lives a hit from Wakasagi. 2-hit KOs with no invest with Poison Sign. Oh, if you're wondering, Baru, I had a little fun with the modding tools. I have been informed by Phantom that it will not affect the game, so there's more like that, and you'll see them some other time, but for now you get Grand Liberation. Anyways, Vacuum Rupture Oko's Lily through Glamorous. Corkscrew into Vacuum Rupture kills the Sunny even if I don't get the boost, and if I get the boost it's just really funny. And if I get the boost, I kill Sho with Override. This thing. So, again, I didn't want to think too hard. I could be bringing Nemino here, but I just thought that this set was really funny, and if he doesn't bring Seija, it might actually do something. And then boring Toyohime hits a few things. Oh, there you go, Mario. There's the other name I changed, or one of the other ones. But yeah. This is going to be one of the matches of all time. Let's see, did he post a code? Alright. Is he posting a code right now, or is he, Alright, he is asking, so I will just create the code. So, yeah, this is gonna go terribly. I just have a feeling in my gut that this is gonna go awfully. Such is the nature of having to deal with both Genbu and Aurora. Okay, yeah, both Genbu and Aurora. The Yugi's not too scary, because Toyo should deal with that pretty well. Everything else is kind of annoying. I do... yeah, okay. So, we just lead Megamoo here. In all scenarios, we lead Megamoo here. I'm assuming probably the Sunny lead. He could also go straight into a Genbu, maybe? If it's Yugi or Futo, I'd probably go hard into Toyo. Because while Override does a shit ton to Futo, I don't live a Heavenly Ascent, and I don't want to be taking that. Sho I stay in, and I just vacuum up here, but Sho won't lead here. Waka, I Poison Sign it. Lily, I stay in the Vacuum Rupture. I could... I don't know if I outspeed, max speed, Yugi, but I might... I don't think I Oko it either. Me IRL. Oh! Yes, let's go! Alright. There's... he definitely switches here. There's no way he stays in. But man, I want him to stay in. Satan! Let's go! Get the fuck out of here! Okay, yeah, I live a hit from everything else, but I'm assuming, what, like a physical Yugi would move? Or a Heavenly Ascent. So I might be able to save my Mega Move. He's going to just... Yeah, he's going to get a free Genbu up here. Now I do live one hit. Actually... I don't, right? I don't Vacuum Rupture here, right? That definitely doesn't kill. Or does it? I could try to preserve Mega Move here. Let's try to preserve Mega Move here. I kind of want to be able to Vacuum Rupture more things. How much is this actually going to do? It's probably going to do a fair amount. Nice, nice. So now I don't outslow this thing with Yuma, which is a little annoying. Alright, let's quickly grace some mana here. He goes, what, Yugi probably? Because he's probably anticipating a poison move coming his way. Yeah, here's the big. Now, is this thing physical or is this thing special? I just go my... Even if it is neutral to steel. Okay, I should still live, unless it's got, like, Thunderlords, which would be troublesome. Actually, I outslow this thing. I'm like base 65 speed with no invest. I don't know if this kills, because this thing, I have no invest, it's off stab, and this thing does have a fair amount of spread goal. But this still should do a shit ton. Yeah, okay, it didn't kill. How much is that going to do? Yeah, okay, I live. Oh. Okay, but it is spread. So, yeah. Silver Rain. Oh, Jesus, okay, that did a shit ton. Brave Song, Dual Stab, what, Water... What do you put Water Sign on this thing? We risk it for the biscuit. Feels looking a lot spicier here. If he tries to preserve it, I do get to knock something. And he has no fire resist. Okay, who am I knocking? I'm knocking the Sunny. That's fine. We just therm it here. Okay, so he's drowning me. That's a little annoying. But at the same time, I'm not particularly scared of the show. So I'm just gonna get what I can going. Comedy. Okay, in comes the Futo. This is gonna take a lot of damage. Speed, but he should still outspeed. Oh! Oh fuck, I did not consider that. Okay, no, Brinkled dies here, that's fine, that's fine. Because I have Override, Now, is this thing choice, is the question. It's not. How much is this gonna do? A shit ton? Oko, probably? Yeah. A little problematic. That's fine, that's fine. The speed is also -2, so even if he has priority, I should still outspeed? Yeah, okay. Who's coming in? You know, I'm fine with that. I'll just click that again. There goes that. Out comes that. Alright. Give me the boost. No boost, damn it. But it should kill this thing and maybe get the boost again. Come on. It's 70%. Give me the boost. Give me the boost. Let's go! Now Override kills Futo. That's fine. I should live anything this hits me with because I'm Silver Pin. I hope. Yeah, okay, we're fine, we're fine. There goes Show. So he goes Wakasaji. He gets his Genbu up. I want to keep Emperor around. Override is useful. Stack the Tenchi. Aurora's gone, that's fine. Now let's see here, did he consider? You know, unfortunately I don't have a water move, because I didn't really see it being too useful for me. Now the question becomes, does he also have Iron Clogs to out Iron Clog my Iron Clog? He sure is thinking. Let's go! Oh, it's that. I see. Does that kill though? It doesn't kill. Even with a crit. I'm a little worried about the Futo still though. Wait. Wait. I still have a turn to Genbu. Wait, that's great. Let's go. Bunk. Yummy. Wait, that was another crit. Genbu ends here. Do I just let Yuma go here? Yuma lives this. That was a crit. Damn it. That's fine. Very careful there, I don't want to accidentally misclick the fighting move. Okay, I'm so glad. I literally just thought of this vacuum usher not too long ago. I'm so glad that actually fucking worked. Mega move going off.